Alright, how to add expert insights to automated articles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the AI SEO Writer cover URL, and here go into the customization, and inside the customization we have something called knowledge base. And here if you click on new knowledge base and click on create new knowledge base, once you do that, it will ask you to add assets. Click on add assets, and here you have three options. One is a text document where you can paste the text right here, PDF where you can upload the PDF, and website where you can view the website. Now the reason why I showed you is to how to add expert insights to the automated articles, because we don't want the AI writers like this to pull the information from web. Now if you usually don't connect to the web or knowledge bases, you need to have at least some knowledge, but knowledge base is nothing but some information. So I can go into the text, and here I can provide as much as information about my domain and expertise, so that it can use the knowledge base every time when I write content. So that's how you add an expert level insights to automated articles.